Hello, welcome to the SwellChat tutorial on how to generate a business associate agreement in the SwellChat platform. Unlike other communication platforms out there, HIPAA compliance is baked in, without the need to pay for add-ons or upgrades. First, you'll need to log into your SwellChat account. If you haven't created one yet, head over to swell.chat and sign up for free. Once you've logged in, you'll see your SwellChat dashboard. You will find Settings on the top right drop-down menu. From here, navigate to Account Settings and then to Business Associate Agreement. If this is your first time generating a Business Associate Agreement, you will first have to tap on Delete BAA. You will now be able to fill the necessary fields and choose the appropriate options in the drop-down menu. Once complete, you'll be able to generate the agreement and download a PDF file of the BAA. And that's it. Generating a business associate agreement is quick and easy. Thanks for watching and have a swell day.